So for this mathematics video presentation, hindi muna ako magiging high school student friendly muna dahil I created this video for the third year college students which are my classmates in Calculus 3, especially na din sa mga nag-advanced study sa Calculus 3. So let's take the partial derivative of that given function. By the way, in calculus, the partial differentiation helps us to get the derivative of a certain function that has multiple variables. So kung napapansin mo, yung function natin ay may dalawang variables which are x and y, which is good for using partial differentiation upon taking the derivative of that given function. And upon partially differentiating that given function, we need to find for the value of the partial derivative of z with respect to x, and also for the value of the partial derivative of z with respect to y. So let's begin finding the value of the partial derivative of z with respect to x. So let's take the partial derivative on both sides of the function with respect to x. The function of x and y can be written as z, and then the partial derivative of z with respect to x will give us partial derivative of z with respect to x. So in this part, we're just going to distribute the partial derivative of x, that symbol, into the quantity with the use of the distributive law. So here we are just going to apply the constant multiple rule of partial differentiation. But since we are partially differentiating with respect to x, ibig sabihin, yung function na may x variable ay ang kukuhanan natin ng derivative, and yung ibang function na may y variable ay iti-treat natin as constant. So magiging constant yung y cube and yung y raised to 4. Ang kukuhanan natin ng derivative ay 4x squared and yung x raised to 7, because we are partially differentiating with respect to x. So upon applying the constant multiple rule of partial differentiation, yung 4 and y cube will become the factor dahil pareha silang constant. Yung 5 and y raised to 4 will become the factor. That's why the remaining in the inside is x squared and also the x raised to 7. And upon taking the partial derivative of x squared with respect to x, that will give us 2x. And upon taking the partial derivative of x raised to 7 with respect to x, that will give us 7x raised to 6. We applied the power rule of partial differentiation in that part. So we are just going to do simple multiplication. Ladies and gentlemen, the value of the partial derivative of z with respect to x is 8xy cubed negative 35x raised to 6y raised to 4, and that is the answer. And now, let's proceed finding the value of the partial derivative of z with respect to y. So let's take the partial derivative on both sides of the function with respect to y. And the function of x and y can be written as z, and the partial derivative of z with respect to y is partial derivative of z with respect to y. So in that line, we are just going to distribute that symbol into the quantity. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng ganyan na form. Gumamit tayo ng distributive law. And here we're just going to apply the constant multiple rule of partial differentiation. But since we are partially differentiating with respect to y, ang ibig sabihin yan, yung function na may y variable gaya ng y cube at y raised to 4 ay ang kukuhanan natin ng derivative, and yung ibang function na may x variable gaya ng x squared at x raised to 7 ay iti-treat natin as constant. So upon applying the constant multiple rule of partial differentiation, the 4 and x squared will become the factor, the 5 and x raised to 7 will become the factor. So here we're just going to apply the power rule of partial differentiation. And upon applying this, the partial derivative of y cubed with respect to y will give us 3y squared, and the partial derivative of y raised to 4 with respect to y will give us 4y cubed. So in that part, we are just going to do basic simplification dahil magta-times lang tayo sa line na yan. So ladies and gentlemen, the partial derivative of z with respect to y, yung value niya is 12x squared times y squared negative 20x raised to 7y cubed. And that is the final answer. So this is the process of taking the derivative of a given function partially. So this is the process of taking the partial derivative of that given function.